inshuti
Friends,
iba inshuti ryari?
when do they become your friends?
Inshuti si gusekera.
A friend is not the one who smiles at you,
Inshuti si kukaresa.
not someone who caresses you.
Si kwandikira utumessage, I love you, I miss you, I can't sleep, I do this, I do that, ayibesha, ayigize gutya, ibyo byose.
It's not somebody who writes to you exaggerating, I love you, I miss you, I can't live without you. That is not necessarily your good friend.
Twatuntu twose.
All that,
Oh, nabuze ibitotsi naraye ngutekereza kandi yasinziriye kugeza mu gitondo.
oh, last night I could not sleep because I was thinking about you, yet they slept the whole night. They are now lying to you.
Unaga kweke sinigeze nsinzira kandi yakubise igitotsi kugeza bamubyukije ngo byuke akabyukana ngo I miss you, sinigeze nsinzira ijoro ryose. Abo ngabo sizo nshuti.
Imagine somebody claims they did not sleep the whole night because they were thinking about you, but they slept all night. They had to be awakened up actually. Those are not the real friends.
Dayero umuntu nakubwira ngo yari adasinziriye kubera uzamutinya.
First of all, if somebody says, I could not sleep because of thinking about you, be cautious about that person.
Nukuvuga ngo wabaye ikibazo ku muntu.
That means you are now becoming a problem to that person.
Uratuma umuntu adasinzira.
You are causing someone not to sleep.
Umuntu nabikubwira.
If someone tells you that,
Umuhunge.
flee from them.
Ahubwo bavuze ngo naraye ngusengera.
But if they said, I prayed for you all night,
Ariko bavuze ngo naraye ndasinziriye ngukumbuye.
but somebody to say, I could not sleep because I was missing you,
Uwo muntu ararwaye kandi ashaka nawe kukurwaza.
that someone is sick and they want you to be sick.
Inshuti ninde rero?
Now, who is your best friend? Who should be a good friend?
N'umuntu wese
Any person
ugusunikira muri calling yawe.
who pushes you into your calling,
Yaba ari mubi, yaba ari mwiza.
whether that person is good or bad.
Niyo mpamvu umwana w'Imana atagira umwanzi.
That's why a child of God should not have an enemy.
Kuko uwo we wita umwanzi atuma usenga cyane ukegera Imana.
Because the one you claim to be your enemy pushes you to prayer, and that draws you closer to God.
Nta mwanzi umwana w'Imana agira.
You should not have an enemy if you are a child of God.
Twebwe abo bose baba badusunikira mu muhamagaro.
Because they all push us into our calling.
Burya abahungu
Men or boys
baba influence.
are easily influenced.
Yego nshobora kuba ndironge cyangwa ndi right.
By the way, I could be wrong or right.
Iyo umuhungu bari muri relation umukobwa kuzakora ubukwe cyangwa se kuzabana.
When a young man and a young woman are engaged to get married,
Uzo umuntu utangira gucokoza undi.
do you know who starts the fight?
Umuhungu araza ubwa mbere bakunda nyine barakijwe sereye sago mu cyuko tuzabana n'isho. Umuhungu akagenda umukobwa akamwandikira. Niba ari kujya wansezeye ubutaha ntituzabonane. Uko gusezera kwa nyuko.
And the young man will meet the girl and leave and say, my sister in Christ, may God bless you. And then the girl will write a text message and say,
Bakobwa ndabeshe.
if that's how you say goodbye to me, do not bring me next time.
Agukurikiza SMS.
She will send an SMS, a WhatsApp message,
Agashiraho n'utuntu tw'umuntu urira kijana.
and she will add crying emojis.
Ngo nukuri.
Truthfully.
Ayandika icyongereza. I'm very very worried with your relationship. Ngo ntangiye kwibaza ibi bintu.
I am wondering about our relationship.
Ngo niba ari kuri abasezera.
If that's how you say goodbye,
Nukuri twabihagarika.
I think we should stop our relationship.
Umuhungu innocent ngo kubera iki sheri?
And the young man innocent will ask, why?
Undi wongere kumvugisha nya agahita afunga telefone.
Do not talk to me again, and she will switch off her phone.
Umuhungu telefone nimero compose nimero.
The young man will call and the phone is off.
Basi umwana w'umuhungu.
So the young man
Gacha yazindukiwa mu gitondo.
goes to the girl's house in the morning.
Akanga kumuramutsa kandi ari iwabo amusanze iwabo yanze kumuramutsa.
He finds her at her home and she refuses to greet him.
Akaramutsa nyina n'abandi aho ngaho.
He greets the mother, the father, or other family
Agahita ajya mu
relatives.
cyumba
She goes to the room.
akomeza akisohora akiyinjiza.
She comes and goes.
Umuhungu akaba ati Lydia nagushakaga tuvugane gatoya. ntabwo ari wowe.
It's not you, Lydia. Do we have a Lydia here? It's another Lydia.
Ndavuga Lydia w'Itiyatira muri Bibiliya.
Lydia of Thyatira in the Bible. I wanted to talk to you.
Ntabwo ari Lydia wa Zion, ndavuga Lydia w'Itiyatira.
I'm talking about Lydia of Thyatira in the book of Revelation.
Noneho umukobwa akaza
She comes
yarakaye.
very angry.
Ndishiri, sava.
Darling, how are you?
Sava.
It's okay, it's okay.
Iki.
What happened?
Akongera akagira. Ntacyo.
Nothing.
Hari message warunyandikiye.
You sent me a
Message
message.
iye.
What?
Arashaka ngo abanza mukoroge mu mutwe, namubwira ngo nsoma hita soma, namubwira ngo mpobera hita home, kuko arashaka amahoro. Mwabakobwa mutubabarire, muduhera abana amahoro.
She wants to complicate him to the point that when she asks for a kiss, he will kiss her right away for the sake of peace. Our young daughters here, please give peace to our sons.
Nimwe muza mutangira ibintu.
You're the ones who
Wamara
start things.
gushusha umubiri we,
And once you heat his body up
agakenera gufungura.
and he wants to eat,
Oya nukuri ayi baturakishijwe rega. Mukijijwe ari watangiye soma giruri. Kuki muza mubesha? Mureke kubindyarya.
stop being a hypocrite. If he asks for more than the kiss you've
Kuko
been looking
abahungu
for,
bodeje uba wamwakije.
because for the men, you
Toi
have
mille
already-
volts.
you've set him off.
Ibindi mwe mubitera.
You start these problems.
Nangiriza ku bahungu namwe kamwe kabiri.
Let me conclude with the boys. Just one. Sons.
Ukunda umukobwa hano mu rusengero yakwanga ukamuteza abandi umwana akava mu rusengero. Mwabahungu mwe namwe. Umuntu yakwanze shima Imana ushaka undi. Tuzakomeza uwakubenze gukomeza umubuza amahoro.
You love a girl here in church, but if she refuses to have a relationship with you, you cause a commotion around her. You slander her until she leaves the church. Why? If she refused, move on, get someone else.
Umukobwa atagukunze kuki ushaka kwihambira ku muntu utagukunda.
If she doesn't love you, why do you have to make it a fight?
Nubwira umukobwa ndashaka ko akavuga ati vraiment ndundi hitubivamo. Kuki ushaka gutsindagira guhadika umuntu ngo akwinjire mu mutima ku ngufu.
If you tell a girl that I love you and she tells you I don't feel anything, move on. Why do you have to make it a force, a fight? Why do you have
Undi
to
wese bakundanye ugacinya mukamusebya.
And if she finds a relationship with someone else, you slander her to the next guy.
Abahungu na
Young men,
niba mutazi gusenga ngo Imana ibereka abagore mureke kwirwa mutoteza abakobwa.
if you don't know how to pray so that God shows you your spouse, your
No.
future spouse,
Stop iyo
move
mikino,
on.
stop.
Stop those games.
Gutoteza abakobwa. Yakwanze empointre turi mwiza kuri we. Urashaka iki? C'est tout. Ya. Cyangwa ndi muhuje. Ariko ufite uwundi muhuza. Shaka Imana iguwe muhuje. Umuntu yakubwira ati singa. Turi frere ase na Kristo. Wishaka iki byo kurongora ngufata nka musaza wanjye. Fala agendera muri iyo relation yamushikiwe na musaza we. Ariko ye gukomeza umbera umugore ntagushaka. Why do you insist? Abakobwa siko babamereye. Nibyo